grand rising to all our beautiful people out there. People, that's how we start the vlog today. Grand rising, good night, good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, me, I walk with Aguero today. Walking with Aguero today. People may ask Aguero about 3 or 4 times if he not cold before we left out. And Aguero said, well, we did leave up, but we never reach far. We did reach when we could have turned back the jacket. And now the breeze are blow down the whole place. And people want to know watch my one blue jacket. And not even my jacket. That the jacket, it's just warmer than every other jacket we may have. But me like that one here, and that one is comfortable. So I put on my jacket and I walk with Aguero today to the bus stop. It's not 6:30 yet. And we're walking to the bus stop. Yeah. Asking me if it's cold in there now, the breeze are blow. No, the breeze are blow. No, the breeze is blowing. Hey, hey. Now the breeze are blow. Me safe. No matter how you see me follow Aguero come around here, people. No joke. No matter how you see me follow Aguero come around here. And pass them and say hi or whining or whatever. They don't look for you. I don't know what's wrong with people nowadays. But big up them still. Them alright. I'm staying after them so. It's a beautiful Wednesday. Wednesday. Because you know say well you know say Wednesday. You know say Wednesday. I feel so good today. Good things are gonna happen today. Yeah. Yeah. Reach the bus stop. Aguero get taxi, people them can't hold. Alright, so Aguero went on a taxi. He get one taxi. And it's now 7:05. And Aguero gone get one taxi. So yeah. Go back around now and go look for my baby and my husband. See where them are going with. Then goodly get up and get active already. People, since you're not come from around here, because I'm not originally from here, and my husband make me live up here. Well, and he make me live up here, like force me, but we're together, so yeah. So, 3 people have done know me when they see me. They look at me weird, but because they don't know me, but still heal them and thing. Some of them not answer, but some of them do give thanks. So I want to go back around now. I am about 15 minutes away from my house. But I walk fast, people. Notice my skin? Yeah, these are slim eyes. This is the view that we got around here. Yeah. This is me. I almost reach one, people. So I'm going to show you the view. People may have to cover up my face when I reach one on the road on this up. It's just some breeze start blow. You see all the jacket want to come off of my body. Honestly, the breeze just start blow, so I cover up my face. I try to do that shot, but I don't want to pee, but I can't pee. What me there? I really want to pee. Ooh. A whole heap of bird just fly up out of the bush. I should have catch it on camera and show me. I must see me them I run from. I can't take off this now, look, I breeze stop blow. But I must reach out. I must reach back down. May I give daddy this with tea, and may I go have tea and fritters because the ackee and mackerel finished, so I'm going to eat fritters. So people, Wendy, see me on this one. See me on this, I get ready. So I'm going to reach over, people, and I just started to make breakfast for that gentleman behind me. Hey. Psst.
Yo. I do it. Remember, you know, that was a mad thing about the 26th on the forward.
Yeah, but keep party.
How?
26th of this month. Alright guys, so see me I have my tea here. This is lemongrass tea and my fritters right there. So I'm gonna eat this now, people. And yeah, just go and move around the house. So my soul link on the back. Big up on yourself. Hope all is well with everyone. We're there. Daddy will go to work now, so it's me one. See him there.
No like my cup.
Grand rising to my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people. People, it's the next day. Me not gonna come tell you no lie. Me never finished the vlog yesterday. I wanted to just comb matter your ear, showing me combing matter your ear and all of that, but it never work out. So me just say, you know what? Me just gonna add today's vlog to yesterday's beginning, cause me never really do much yesterday. Honestly, the place was cold yesterday, and the rain did a fall a bit, so me never bother to do anything else, people. Me and Mattia did just chill and just watch couple stuff on the internet, and we just clean up around the house as usual, and then we just wait until Aguero come from school and Daddy come home. Daddy cooked last night. I was really sleepy, so me never do not last night, so me never vlog nothing, people. But however, today is a beautiful day. Today is Thursday. Today is Aguero's sports day, and yeah, I didn't really plan on going, but me I go bring them. I go bring Aguero and see if them want him to run, because he thinks he's going to run, but he's not sure. But just to let them get the experience and have fun, and because me really want to come out of the house too, we're gonna go. So me day here drinking my tea as usual. Yeah, bush tea, you know that me did. So me not wash my face or brush my teeth yet or nothing, guys, cause we just go wait until we get ready. So me day here, I drink some tea and me I go make some food, because we're bringing food with us. Cause yeah. So me I go make some food and pack it up, and we're gonna bring that with we. So when we're ready, people, and we're the power way, I forward back and show you what I go on. Big up on yourself. Enough love from the House of Love. People, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big up everybody when me see a subscribe and I like up my stuff them. Big up you. Yeah, enough love. Enough love. So big up on yourself, people. So forward back. I'm gonna wear this white bottom that my husband bought me. Yeah. And I don't see my titty a while ago. I hope I don't see my titty, because I have to go blurry that out, because I don't want YouTube to come tell me that they're not posting my video. So I'm gonna wear that and this blue top. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on my top now. People, I'm gonna wear my little black sneakers. Even though I have on toenail, because slippers can't wear around there. So where the little field is, it's dirt. Mostly dirt. But I put on my top and I put on my shorts. My tights. It not even feel like tights, because, well, yeah, tight, it's stretchy. You know, I never stretch it when we just get it. We just fit it on to see if it fit. I put it on now. So, I have my skin and everything. I am going to put my shoe on. And as I say, guys, I go put on one black cap over my hair. Before wash my hair Saturday. I not get the tuna yet. That's why I not wash my hair yet, people. But my hair won't wash. But I go over one lady. Because I see tuna over there. So I go over one lady. I go ask her if they can get peace. And I go wash my hair Saturday. But I go put on one black cap, because it's a black sneakers I wear. So I go put on my black cap and catch up my ear. And people remember my ear now for fancy, because me is a lock girly. I have locks, remember. I just started. So I go see me do ear style. But yeah, as I say, if this is a video or this is a channel that you would like to continue seeing on your feed, on your For You, subscribe na man, subscribe. I see people subscribing, big up them. Yeah, I see people are subscribed. I love that. But as you watch the videos, when you click on it, you see my face, that pretty face here, that cute face here, when you just press subscribe no man and watch to the video them, give a girl a strength. But people, me go finish ready, me talk too much. So come back. Alright, people, so see me here. Put on my little cap. Me can't find my full black cap, guys. I go a video my foot. Me put on my sneakers. Me can't find my full black cap. Me not even know if I overlook daddy. Me don't know if I eating gone in, so me put on film cap, yeah. And my blue shirt and my tights. And me little something up on my hand and my little necklace. Me spray up on everything and we are ready. Me have my bag. Me have Mateo stuff in my handbag. And Aguero will carry his bag with our food. So people, let's go to sports day. Yeah, that's Mateo in him little sneakers, him little track pants and him little t-shirt. Him have on him marina and him chain and him blue hat. Him blue out more than Aguero. Alright, people, see Aguero here. You know, like a simple t-shirt, him like a simple shorts, and him sneakers. Alright, people, so we are leave out now. We're gonna look taxi. So when we reach in the town, me picking up back, and me gonna know what I go on, but I read this.
Sorry.
Aguero. People, me not really love herring. That's why I don't see me put on a whole heap of herring. Me not really love herring, but me gonna start wear 2 herring. Come, Mateo. Watch the cars or watch him come. Alright, people, we reach in the town and we get one taxi. We stop and we buy 2 snacks in a supermarket. Eh?
What's the other?
Yes. Why? So wait until cheerleading finish. You want to wait until it finish? You want juice? See juice, I talk to you. Take out the juice out of your bag, the cold one. Zip my bag. Take out the baby bag and put it inside your bag and zip my bag. Tell me about sports day. People are being nice, I don't know if you can hear the music, but we don't really want video because music are playing. People were all just with Warriors.
At least we won.
We're all just with Warriors. Blue house just with Warriors, people. You tell me why I'm there and scream out my throat like I might pick the around. I'm having fun. This is fun. We're always come second. We always come second, people. I don't even know where Aguero is, but me and Mateo there a cheer and a scream. I can't see Aguero nowhere.
Okay, so we are 150 meters right now. And as soon as it has ended, 200 meters will follow. 150 coming up now. 200 meters exactly and immediately after. The police are mad, you know.
But we all win. Blue house win a while ago, yeah. Mateo drop asleep. I don't know where Aguero is. Me sit down on one rock right. I cheered for my blue house and she won. Alright people, so I'm here again. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm here. At lunchtime now, so Everybody gotta eat lunch, so we are waiting lunchtime up, then we start the racing again. But Matthew drop asleep, so me have to sit down here so people. Look for Aguero clothes. Look for Aguero. Look. The festivities soon over. They're running their last set of races and then we leave and go home. Right now we can't even find Aguero. I have to go walk up and down and look for Aguero. Aguero gone left me people. He left all his shoes right here so. But we're there here people. We just wait to see if Aguero go run. Because the teacher say might run. Teacher say might run. So I wait to see if he go run before we leave. Because it's after 3 now. They might run the last set of race as me say. But it was a good day. Picking them run up and down. All me make nice people because me say the team win. The team win couple race and me cheer and go on with myself. But me there. When we reach in the town, we pick on the back and make on know where I go on. But we soon leave school now. So watch they soon finish. Then they say 3 o'clock it are done, but I guess because the race not finished, the races are not done, so they're not finished yet. So me there I watch what I go on. We're waiting on taxi people. No taxi as usual, no taxi. At the sky. It's gonna rain. Pang Aguero, ko Aguero dati funny 8 to 2. Eh?